Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a game in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are lots of different types of Roblox games you can create, so let's get started. First of all, you need an application called Roblox Studio, which is where you actually build Roblox games. This may already be installed on your computer, so you can check by opening search at the bottom and typing Roblox Studio. If it appears, click on it and start using it. If not, go to the Roblox website, then click Create at the top and look for the option to download Studio. If you don't see it there, hover over Learn and then click on Studio for these options. Now click on Get Studio and once on this page, scroll down to view the system requirements and click the Download button. Once downloaded, run the installer and sign into your Roblox account when prompted. After opening Roblox Studio, you can take a quick tour if you want, but we'll cover the basics here. On the main screen, you'll see several templates you can start with, such as baseplate, laser tag, or classic obby. In this example, choosing classic obby is a good way to get started. To move around in the workspace, hold the right mouse button to rotate the camera, and use the mouse wheel to zoom and move toward where you want to go. This helps you navigate your game world easily. To start adding objects, go to the top menu, select Home, and open the toolbox from the left side. You can also add parts by going here. The toolbox lets you add structures, models, and other assets. You can search for something specific or browse through categories. For example, if you're making an obby, you can search for an obby end piece and click it to add it into your game. Once it's added, you'll need to position it correctly. Select the object, click Move at the top, and place it where you want. Once it is placed where you want, you can also use Scale to resize it, and also choose Rotate to adjust its direction. You can also transform it from here. If you want to add basic shapes, go to the Insert section, click Part, and choose a shape like a block. The part will appear in your workspace and you can move, scale, or rotate it just like other objects. You can also edit existing parts the same way. At the top, you'll notice other useful sections such as Avatar, UI, Script, Model, which includes helpful tools, and plugins, allowing you to add extra tools to Roblox Studio. You also have the Test option, which allows you to test your game instantly. You can click Play to try your game, and when you're done testing, press Stop in the top left corner. When you're ready to save your game, click File in the top left corner and select Save to Roblox As. Here, choose Create New Game, then give your game a name and description. Then select the creator and supported devices and adjust settings like Team Create and data sharing. Then press Save. Once the game is saved, you can publish it by going to File again, and this time clicking Publish to Roblox. Once your game is published to Roblox, now you have to allow others to play your game. To do this, go to your Roblox website, then click on Create at the top. Here at the top, you will see your recently created game. Click on it to open it. Now, go to Settings from the left side menu. Here, scroll down and set Who can play the game to public and save the changes. Finally, return to the Roblox website. Click on your profile at the top right. From here, go to Creations, and then find your recently created game. Click on it and press play to start playing your own game. That's it. You've successfully created and published a Roblox game. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make a game in Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.